Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the northwest. This is another province in South Africa, right next to Gauteng. I've just arrived and now I'm making my way to the reception area. It is quite a far way away, so hang tight as we make our way there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the bush. We're in the bush today. I'll be taking you out and about as I do some exploring, and today we are in the northwest. I'll give you guys more details in a bit. Just want to say shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back and always supporting your girl. And if it's your first time here, you're new, stopping by, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this video and remember to subscribe so you can join the fam. Guys, I just saw some buck, I guess, kudu buck. I don't know which one, but yeah, part of that family. I want to get closer, but I'm not sure if I should. Let's see how close I can get. Oh wow, I'm gonna zoom in. How pretty. I'm actually really close now, but I think I'm gonna start here. It looks like they have some scooters, and I am so tempted to rent one of these out. I'll find out later how much it costs, and I think it'd be really cool here to actually explore and not have to walk around everywhere. Not that there's anything wrong with walking. Hey guys, so I found the reception area and I managed to just settle and get my stuff and all the details I need. So this is a map with where my unit is, and yeah, it's actually quite far from the reception, but it's cool, we'll find it. Yeah, so once I get there I'm gonna do a room tour and just show you guys the place. He said go straight and then the first left. Okay, let's figure this out. Oh, look at the sunset. I'm trying to catch the sunset, but it's like behind all these units. Just hope we catch it. Really quiet here. Basically just the birds and the sprinklers. Loving the serenity. Okay, these are just some of the other units. These ones have their own pool. Very pretty. This is the unit from the outside. This is where my room is. Basically it's like 2 units in one block. I'm in winter, which is very fitting because it's cold, and then my neighbors are summer. I located my room and I'm gonna show you guys what it has and what it looks like. Okay, so I'm at the Seasons, and this is their cupboard space. It's quite spacious, and they also have hangers, so if I want to put up my coats and stuff, then I can. There's also this, well, it like shifts, so you can close that. So it looks like they have a lamp. I hope there's no load shedding, but yeah, it looks like there's a lamp. And then there's also a safe for the valuables, hair dryer, and quite a lot of cupboard space, like it's a lot. Looks like some extra pillows down there. And then more space up there for those who can reach it. Okay, right, moving on. There's a little like chair and this mirror, as you can see. So when I'm getting ready, I have my mirror already. Let's see what's in this cupboard. Oh, there's a mini fridge. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, cool. All right. I wasn't expecting that, but yeah, that's cool. There's also tea. Looks like coffee. 5 roses. What's this? 5 roses. And then there's also some instant coffee as well. And the sugars and stuff. Okay, and then also like a water jug, kettle, teacups. And then just some storage space over here, shelf space. Okay. And then Moving into the bedroom area, they have this pretty painting. I think it's quite a nice feature and it just adds to the room. And then here's the bed with a stool. Looks like an ottoman with some side tables. There's also air conditioning, so this would be nice if it does get like a bit chilly in here. Then I have that option as well, just to turn that on. Okay, so here's curtains to the outside area. It's a bit dark now, but as you can see, there's like a little seating area outside if I want to eat there. And the door is just over here. Yeah, it's locked. Okay. And then there's a TV with some DSTV channels. So if you want to watch something, you can. And now the bathroom. Okay, let's get into the bathroom and see. It's quite spacious in here. And I quite like the design actually, because at least I won't be feeling cramped while I'm in here. And there's some side towels there. Some hand towels. Shampoo, foam baths, soap, wipes. These mirrors, 2 of them even. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then there's a bathtub, so can just soak in here. And then there's also obviously a toilet. Some more towels, and then a shower. So this is it. Hope you guys can see. Try to do a 360 of the room. Okay. And this is my bathroom. I really love it. It's quite spacious, so yeah, that's a bonus. And that is my room, guys. I love it, guys. So my first impression of this place is it really is well put together, and you can tell that they like pay attention to detail. Everything is clean, and the way like everything is just placed. I love it. The colors, the aesthetics. I think I'm going to enjoy my stay here. So far, first impression, I would definitely come back here. I'm loving it so far. It's so beautiful, and I can't just wait to like settle in and get comfortable and just relax. Hey guys, I'm back in my room now. I just had my dinner, which I really enjoyed. The staff was super friendly, and I got my food really quickly, so I didn't have to wait too long to eat. So that was great. And also just the ambiance. I really loved the aesthetics and the decor. They did it really, really well. It kind of gives that outdoorsy feel, all the natural neutral colors. Those are really good. And now I'm just gonna wind down. Yeah, it's been a long day actually, and in terms of exploring, I'll have to do that tomorrow, which will be another video. So make sure to put your notification bells on so that you don't miss it when I upload the second version and the rest of this trip. And if you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe so that you don't miss my videos. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed the first part, which was arriving and a room tour and just getting to see a bit of the restaurant. Cool, guys. I will see you in my next video.